Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. In this video, we're going to show you how to fill out the online application for the PPP2, the PPP Second Draw via Kabbage for employers. Okay, so who is this video for? This video is for employers who got the first PPP loan via payroll. So if you're self-employed, independent contractor, and you did not get your first PPP and you had employees in payroll, remember payroll is, you had employees in W-2s, 1099s are not employees. And if you got your first PPP loan via Kabbage, and you have had to have used all your PPP1 funds already, okay? So if you are an employer, meaning you got your first PPP with employees in W-2 via payroll, and you got your first PPP via Kabbage, then this video is for you, okay? Now your business must still be open. If you got the first PPP, but in 2020 or early 2021, you shut down your business, you cannot apply for the second PPP loan. Also, you must meet the at least 25% revenue reduction test. Remember that if you got the first PPP, in order to be eligible for PPP2, you must meet the at least 25% revenue reduction requirement. If you do not know how to calculate that, watch a video that we did last week. Watch this video. We're going to put a link here at the top, and we're also going to put a link in the description below. In this video, we teach you the 5 ways you can find out if you meet the 25% revenue reduction test. So do that test. If you qualify, then you can apply for the PPP2 or the PPP second draw. Okay, so let's start. Now, first step is to log into your Kabbage account. That's the login or the website where you got your first PPP loan. Now, Kabbage has changed their website, and the PPP applications, they're doing it through another website called K-Servicing, okay? But you log in with your same username and password from the account that you got your first PPP from Kabbage. So when you log in, this is what you see. You see your PPP draw, your first PPP. This is someone that already has their PPP loan 1 forgiven. But here you can see that you have the option of second draw PPP loan. You can click down here, or here at the sidebar, you can see where it says SBA First Draw and SBA Second Draw. The second draw is the second PPP loan. So you can click here, or you can click over here where it says Second Draw PPP Loan, Visit Overview. And then you're going to start your application. When you start your application, they give you once again the eligibility requirements to get the PPP2. See here that you have to have fewer than 300 employees. You have to demonstrate a revenue reduction of at least 25%. And you have to have used your first PPP loan amount in full. You click Get Started, and then it takes you to a page where you need to verify your information. Now, since you did your first PPP with Kabbage, all of the information is already there. So this makes the process a lot easier and faster. But just check that none of this information has changed. Then they're going to ask you which business type are you? Are you a nonprofit, S Corp, C Corp? Most of you are going to be S Corps or C Corp. So choose the one that best describes your business. Click Continue. Then they're going to make you show the 25% reduction in gross receipt test. Now, they give you several options. You can choose the option of comparing gross annual receipts of 2020 with annual receipts of 19, or you can compare a quarter of 2020 with the same quarter of 2019. For this example, we are using first quarter 2020 and first quarter of 19. So in the bottom here, we put the total revenue for first quarter 2020. And here we put the total sales for first quarter 2019. And you can see there's an 85% reduction in revenue. So we meet the 25% revenue test. So we click continue. And here is going to ask you what payroll period are you going to use for your second PPP. Remember that you can use your 2019 payroll reports, or you can choose your 2020 payroll reports. For this example, we're going to use the same 2019 payroll reports because for this client, his 2019 payroll was higher than his 2020 payroll. So he's going to get a bigger PPP loan using his 2019 payroll information, because if he uses his 2020 payroll is lower, so his PPP loan is going to be lower. The good thing about using the 2019 payroll information is that Kabbage already has all the documentation, all the information, because basically it's going to be the same information that you use to get your first PPP loan, okay? Now, when you click continue, they're going to tell you more or less the amount of PPP that you're going to get. You click continue, and you're going to choose what are you going to use your PPP for. We recommend to put payroll costs because remember, if you use your PPP loan 100% for payroll, you are going to get 100% forgiveness. You click continue, and you answer several questions. If you were debarred, if your business was in bankruptcy, basically, most of you are going to answer no to these questions. See, more questions. If you are in bankruptcy, is your business part of a bigger corporate group? So you answer these questions. Once more questions, but these questions you have to put your initials, okay? And then you need to check all these boxes to certify that the information that you have provided is true, that the information of the 25% reduction revenue is correct, and that you have used all your PPP-1 funds. Then you have to review the information. So basically they tell you the information you have provided, make sure it is correct. And basically you're almost done. The next step is that they're going to ask you for your demographic information. This is optional if you want to do it or not. If you want to do the demographic information, you click yes. If not, put no. This will not affect your PPP approval. And then basically, that's it. So the last step is that case servicing is going to tell you that they are reviewing your application and that they may ask for additional documentation. So you're done. So log in periodically to check the status of your PPP application. The SBA has said that for this second round of PPP loans, they are going to take a little bit longer than the first round because due to a lot of fraud that happened in the first round, the SBA is going to take a little bit more time reviewing your documents, okay? So that's basically it. So if you want to contact us, remember we are a full-service tax and accounting firm. We can help you with your business and personal taxes, accounting, bookkeeping, tax problems that you may have. You can contact us via phone or visit our website. And remember that we are part of Freedom Group, so we can help you. We are a group of 4 companies where we do tax accounting, immigration, real estate, insurance, financial planning, so we can help you in many, many ways. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and watch this suggested video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.